Hello, I'm Ricky Smith from Alfred Power 2, and today I'm talking about my indie game development post-mortem of my indie game, Dragon Wands, that I made not very well. Dragon Wands is a wand processing, developing and selling and management game. You earn money to decorate your laboratory. Fun features include buying on a PC, processing wands, van selling, private selling, gravity paintings, physics bugs, hamster in a ball, growing plants. I took inspiration from Stardew Valley in terms of the farming and harvesting, Borderlands franchise in terms of the gun details and the properties and all the numbers, and also took inspiration from that one scene in District 9 when he's made to hold the alien gun and shoot some pigs or something. I made it over a period of 2 weeks during the isolation on the Unreal Engine using blueprints. Quite a lot of my spare time was on this game, as it was a good way to spend the time. It gets quite repetitive as there's not a lot to do within the game other than the primary loop of developing and selling wands. A major flaw of the game is that you cannot save your progress, because I tried to implement a save feature very late into the game. I realised I needed a lot more foundation work, so I gave up. Just consider it a permadeath roguelike where dying comes when you exit the game. Also, there was a time during development that I asked, is this actually fun? This set me on a hedonic existential mess as I started to question what even is fun and do I actually like anything? But we're out of that hole now. In the future, I'll make sure to plan out my games ahead instead of sporadically sprinkling things on like a pizza in a pizzeria. That real games we make are the games we make on the way. If I added a save feature and some more things to do like challenges or NPCs that you could interact with, it could be quite a mediocre game. 4 out of 10. You can play it if you want on my link in the description. Bye.